how to book on hotels.com. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can book on hotels.com, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you'd like to basically book on hotels.com, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all go to hotels.com and log into your account. Then just select a location where you would like to book. So let's say I want to book a place or a reservation or whatever else I want to do. I can go ahead and select that. And now I can simply select a certain location or whatever else I prefer here. As I do that, I'll be able to see all the pricing and details, the popular amenities and so on. Now if I want, I can reserve a room by clicking the reserve option here. And here you should be able to see different type of pricings. Now all you have to do is just click the book now option here. Select pay now or pay at property, depending upon whatever else you prefer. You can actually pay during your property, or you can simply choose to pay now. And after that, your bookings will get successfully made. This way you'll be able to basically make your bookings on hotels.com. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.